How you can deactivate advertising on Hisense TV, you will find out in today's video. So stay tuned. But before we start, an evaluation has shown that many watch the videos but do not subscribe to the channel. So please subscribe to the channel, then you are up to date and always know what's going on. So you switch to the settings and here you have to scroll down to the point system. And now to the right with the remote control and scroll all the way down here into the extended settings. And if you are here, then scroll down again and here is the point personalized advertising. Here you have to go in and make sure that the whole thing is not clicked. Otherwise you have the advertising. So click on it, then it's gone. Then scroll down to show ID. Here you also have to delete the whole thing. This is nothing more than that you have a specified ID. And here everything is collected, cache and much more, what you are looking at. Then scroll down. Here's another one.